Want to make your key points stick in your panel discussion? I'm Kristin Arnold, and I'm a professional panel moderator, and repetition is one of the most powerful tools you have to reinforce the learning points and engagement of the audience. But how do you use it effectively in a panel discussion? Stick around or click the link below. Here's some simple ways to make sure that your message during your panel discussion sticks. First is to use repetition strategically. For example, you could say, if you remember one thing, remember this. That's one of my favorite last questions that I ask all the panel. What's the one thing? You can make it interactive with the audience, that you get the audience to repeat key phrases. Repeat after me. The one thing. You could summarize in threes, because audience members, for some reason, actually people, they remember 3 things. Don't ask them to remember 4 things, 5 things, 3 things. It's the optimal number. There are 3 things that you need to know about. You could also have the panelists reinforce those key messages. You know, different voices help retention. And then finally, bookend the opening and the closing so that it's a full circle. Whatever you said in the beginning, you repeat at the end. Bookend the opening and the closing. That's how to make your message memorable. If you got some good ideas, please put it in the comments below, subscribe to this channel. And if you're interested in more information about how to moderate a panel, just go to howtomoderateapanel.com. We've got a free video course waiting there for you. Thanks for watching.